boy! We're in Disneyland! Hello, Mickey! Is that you, Mickey? Ikaw si Mickey? Wow! Come here, Mickey! 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 Yay! We're in Disneyland! We're in Disneyland! Marathon.
So mula sa Disney Arc, you still need to walk a little further to reach the entrance. Dito nyo na kailangang i-present yung ticket nyo if nakapag-book na kayo online or buy a ticket on the spot.
Ang haba ng pila!
Ano na to?
Yung kaninang pila is just for security. Paglagpas mo doon, ito yung another pila for the ticket. Mahaba yung pila pero mabilis naman siya in fairness.
Ayan na nga at naiinip na siya kakapila. Disney na yarn. At syempre guys, smooth entrance na naman tayo dahil may ticket na kami agad from Klook. It was very hassle-free kasi scan lang nila yung barcode from the app or from the email you received and no need for printed copies. Natagalan lang kami kasi ang dami kong QR codes. Sa Klook kasi guys, merong mga group package promo. Kinailangan ko din ihiwala yung sa parents ko since pasok sila sa senior age promo. No need to book anything para sa 3 years old and below since free sila.
Okay na yan. Be, okay na yan. 2 seconds lang, be.
So guys, if pupunta kayo ng Disney on your birthday, may binibigay sila na birthday badge for free.
Get a birthday badge. Today is his birthday and her birthday, yes.
Today, 27.
Yep. Both of them. Oh, thank you. Yay, thank you. Yay!
So this one you can display so staff and Disney characters can greet you pag napansin nila. Honestly, it's the best policy lang to. Wala silang hinihinging ID or anything.
Happy birthday, baby ko. Pang momentos pa yan, ah. Wow!
I can't believe we get to experience this today. Thank you, Lord. Nasa happiest place on earth na talaga kami. This wasn't the plan talaga for my son's 2nd birthday. But since sumakto sa Hong Kong trip at free pa naman siya dito, we took the opportunity na isabay na lang sa birthday niya ang Disney Day. Yeah, he may not remember this day paglaki niya, but we will.
What's that, Jarvis? What's that?
So guys, ang technique talaga dapat namin, wala mo nang mag-picture taking anywhere para makasulit ng pila. Pero hindi, sa sobrang ganda at nakaka-amaze, hindi mo talaga mapipigilang mag-picture everywhere.
Feeling bagets ng mga senior, dai.
Ano ko ng rice natin?
Makakanang. Wah!
So, as recommended by many people, unahin daw ang World of Frozen kasi ito talaga lagi ang may napakahabang pila since this is one of their newest attractions.
Gosh! We are in Frozen! Ah! So ganda! Arendelle! So ganda! Para kang nasa ano talaga, Frozen. Oh my gosh! Hi!
And guys, another cool thing dito sa Hong Kong, meron silang parking for strollers. Napaka-hassle-free. Legit talaga dito guys na safe ang gamit mo. Ilang beses na namin napatunayan. Sa Pinas kasi hindi to uubra.
Okay, finally, after how many hours, makakapila na kami for our first ride. Sobrang delayed ang first ride. As of 11:30 AM, dito lang nag-start yung pila. Yes! Thank you! Hi!
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Yel.
Yell?
Yes.
Like you're yelling?
Yes, like you're yelling.
It's a unique name.
Yes, it is.
Yes. And have you had a good day today, Yell?
Yep, this is our first ride.
Oh. Do you know
Friend of Olaf.
the boats that you're getting on? I
Yes.
built them myself.
Oh,
So I
wow.
hope you enjoy them.
We
Let me
will.
know how they are.
Thank you. Are you excited to see Olaf? You're going to see Olaf. We'll wait for Olaf. Pati leggings mo. Ay, yung leggings ko din. Wow. Si Jarvis din? Wow. Nagtatay. Oy, Olaf! Olaf! Look, Olaf! There's Olaf, oh! Wow! There's Olaf, baby ko, look, oh! Look, Jarvis! Look! Hi, Olaf! You say hi! You say hi! Say hi! Hala, natakot! Natakot! Ba't daw Ang laki ng ulo ni Olaf.
Laki Olaf to
Happy Semester Day! Oh, amazing! Oh, I know. Where is Brother?
Yes!
Why this guy do not bread and bread? Man in bread! And man in bread
Yeah.
and bread.
He was removed in the group chat. You want that? You want that, Olaf? No. No? Okay, no. Very good. Hindi masyado halata ang badge. Lipat natin sa harap.
By the way guys, inuuna namin yung mga rides na pwede yung age and height ng aking toddler para sabay-sabay pa rin kaming lahat. The plan B is to divide the group into 2 para may iwang magbantay kay Jarvis.
As of 12 o'clock, ito ang pila. Yung pila ng English, sobrang bilis lang. Matagal yung sa pila ng yung mga pang Chinese. Say hi.
Alright, so are you ready?
Yes!
Go! Turn around, say goodbye to my friends. Bye bye! And then we'll be back up the very, very long time. Peter, so let's go quickly. He's very, very naughty. Oh, naughty. Look at that. So many skeletons here. Look at that gorilla. He's taking the gun.
Based on recommendations from groups, napili namin dito kumain sa Royal Banquet Hall kasi dito may wide range of choices of food. For our lunch, we will order international food para may rice and to taste the trending baked rice na lagi ko nakikita sa mga groups. Grabe guys, so nakita namin price list nila dito. Sobrang right decision talagang mag-book ng meal voucher from Klook. Imagine, one meal can cost almost 1,000 pesos while yung meal voucher sa Klook is almost 1.5k lang, which includes lunch, snack, and dinner na. Sobrang sulit talaga. And one more tip guys, as I've mentioned from day 2, malalaki ang serving nila dito and good for sharing. So hindi kami lahat nag-avail ng meal voucher. Pati sa serving of food and payment, napaka-organized nila dito guys. Since it's my son's birthday at tulog pa siya, umalis ako saglit to look for the Mickey donut na gagawin naming cake niya. Kaso naman, dahil nga bagong gising, wala sa mood ng birthday boy at hindi ko din napilit kumain. Buti na lang, pwede mag-take out. It's free guys. Sa ganda ng lagayan nila, free lang to pero self-service. Habang tulog nga si Jarvis, hinayaan muna namin makapag-rides ang iba sa amin. They tried the Dumbo Flying Elephant, which is katapat lang ng Royal Banquet Hall. While waiting for them to finish, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami and sumilip sa souvenir shop. Saktong nagising na nga si Jarvis at tuwang-tuwa sa mga nakitang toys. Hay nako, sabi namin babalikan namin tong shop while waiting for the mementos. Pero guys, hindi na talaga namin siya nabalikan, kaya manage your time talaga pag nandito kayo. Dapat habol kami for Lion King show, kaso di na kami umabot. So, dumiretso na lang kami sa Mystic Point area for the next target rides.
Mystic Point. Harry Potter. Harry Potter ata dito eh.
For better planning of your day here in Disneyland and talagang masulit na mga rides, download the Disney app to see wait time ng mga rides, schedule ng stage shows and parades, including schedules ng meet and greet with Disney characters, and of course, to access the map. Very helpful talaga siya, guys.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. Funny Daga, that's you. Now run along. Well, say. Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all. And my little friend.
Very nice, no? Monkey.
We're going to Grizzly! Guys, excited na ba tayo, guys? Ito ang mga pinaka-excited!
At syempre naman, to complete the experience, dapat may medyo extreme ride naman tayong masakyan dito. Well, si Jarvis nga pala ay kasama ng lola at lola while resting at nag-iikot-ikot.
So excited! Kaming apat lang magkakapatid may gusto mag-Grizzly. 1, 2, 3. This is us before Grizzly.
Sana yung mga ano, first time.
This is us before Grizzly.
Para di masaya.
Mga 30 minutes na nakapila. Mabilis lang kasi dalawang ano siya, salitan na roller coaster. So mabilis lang yung usad ng pila. Hi! Wow! Hawakan mo kamay ko. Hawakan mo kamay ko. Kinakabahan ka. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is us after Grizzly!
Dito kami kasi maluwag sa mga takboy.
Where Papa?
Eto na nga at itutuloy na namin ang Lion King show since hindi kami umabot sa schedule kanina. Grabe guys, napadaan kami ulit ng Mystic Manor at grabe na ang pila pati sa ibang rides. So for sure, yun yung mga kakalabas lang from Lion King show. So make sure to consider that if gagawa kayo ng itinerary.
Are you going to see Lion King? Lion King! Ano sabi ng lion? Roar! Are you going to see Lion King? Roar! Roar! We're going to watch Lion King! The Lion King!
Magandang i-schedule yung mga ganitong indoor shows ng tanghali at kapag pagod na kayo at kailangan magpahinga. Kaya nga lang, dahil mas ramdam ang pagod ng nakaupo, medyo inantok ang karamihan sa amin. Although don't get me wrong guys ha, maganda yung show and sobrang amazing ng production nila. Sa ganda ng boses kasi nila, parang hinihel talaga na matulog na. After nga ng Lion King show, bumalik kami sa castle para makasulit pa ng pictures habang may araw pa. And to complete a mission na isa sa highlights ng aming Disneyland Day. 2, 3. Is it a yes? Yeah! Ito yung magic na inaantay mo. This is the magic!
Excited ka na mag-Disneyland? Yeah! You should! I don't like roller coaster!
Makakanang. Wow! Congrats! Patingin ng ring, patingin. This is me after the proposal! Yay! Success!
After the sweet proposal moment, diretso naman for another ride wherein ginamit na namin si Plan B dahil hindi pa pwede dito si Jarvis. While waiting for them, binalikan muna namin ang Frozen World dahil hindi nga pala kami nakapagpa-picture sa fountain na to as remembrance. Nag-mini photoshoot na rin kami for Jarvis's birthday dahil medyo nasa mood na siya.
People are already waiting. Grabe.
When it's our turn for Iron Man experience, pumuesto naman muna ang family ko for Momentos para meron kaming good spot.
Yeah, walang pila. Walang pila kay Iron Man. Nasa Momentos na yung mga tao.
Just a trivia guys, parehas kaming Marvel fan ni Hubby, lalo na siya. So this gives you an idea kung bakit Jarvis ang pangalan ng anak namin.
Magic doors have opened. Please proceed.
After the ride, akala namin makaisang ride pa kami with Jarvis pero dumiretso na lang kami to claim our dinner meal dahil 8 PM pala ang Momentos nila today. Yung snacks nga pala guys, nawala na sa isip namin i-claim and dahil gabi na, nagkaubusan na din so medyo nakakahinayang. For dinner, sa Royal Banquet Hall pa rin kami pero this time, ibang meal naman. No rice to guys pero sobrang nakakabusog at masarap and again, ang laki ng serving. Dahil wala nang time mag-dine in, tinake out na lang namin tong lahat at kinain namin after Momentos. Pagdating pala guys sa mga sinasakyan naming rides. Nag-research na talaga kami ng mga available rides and watched videos. Tapos pumili kami ng top priority rides para wala kaming panghinayangan pag kinulang sa oras. Gladly, nasakyan naman namin lahat ng target namin. Pero kulang talaga ang one day dito guys, sa totoo lang.
I wanna go to Disney, where the magic never ends.